Hey everyone, this has been an unboxing here of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This one is an open box from Best Buy. This was, I think, $1,800 or so before taxes. I also bought a case for it. It came out to about $2,000 here after taxes. So what I bought is this nice, beautiful blue. We'll get back to the phone in just a second here. Of course, you do have your paperwork and your let's say like your SIM card ejector tool, as well as your cable in here. Of course, there is no charger with this very expensive phone, only the cord. And of course, there's nothing else in here except for the very crazy thin and beautiful Fold 7 here. And this one so far looks to be in very, very good shape. Of course, it did just come out like a week ago. Like I said, this thing is crazy, crazy thin. That is, of course, probably like the biggest thing with this phone this year, besides from the processor and whatnot. But how thin this phone is insane. I mean, I think that's thinner than the Edge is, which is a crazy thin phone. And when you fold it on up, it's supposed to be about the same as, actually I think it's maybe a bit thinner than the Ultra is, the S25 Ultra. But going around the phone here, so we have our USB-C, we have a mic, or a couple mics there, we have our speaker, power button, and volume rockers. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. Oop, as I almost drop it. Another speaker, a couple more mics, and our SIM card ejector, or SIM card will go there for the SIM card ejector tool. And then it does say Samsung there. My phone just does not want to focus. There we go. Of course, we got a front speaker or front camera, and then back cameras as well. And this thing weighs less than the S25 Ultra. And honestly, it does not feel bad in the hand. First impressions here, it just feels like a, well, like a big phone. Not really like a folding phone, just like a big normal phone. Very cool. Stay tuned. I'll be making a bunch of videos on this to come. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.